Okay, we will see next problem, that is for problem 4. Problem 4 is asking like that: 1 coulomb of charge, 1 coulomb of charge contain how many numbers of electrons. Okay, this is the question. 1 coulomb of charge contain how many numbers of electron? Your answer will be, by convention we know that line 6500 coulomb of charge contain 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 electrons. So 1 coulomb will be how much? Line says 5. So 1 coulomb of charge will contain how much? Will contain 6.023 into 10 to 23 divided by 96500 coulomb electrons. This will be, your answer will be 6.24 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. This is the answer. Okay, so we got that 96500 coulomb of charge contain how many electrons? 1 mole of electrons, Avogadro's number of particles by electrons, that is 6.023 into 1023 electrons. So 1 will be कितना 1 amount divide कर दियो, divide करना फिर हमें इतने पाइले. This is equal to 6.24 into 10 to 18 electrons. Okay. Now we see next problem. How many moles of electron? How many moles of electrons? How many moles of electron are given by how many moles of electron are given by 45 coulomb of charge? Question टा कौन कहला? 45 moles of coulomb, 45 coulombs of charge केते मोल इलेक्ट्रॉन कौन करिवो अछि ताबारे electric current is nothing but it is the only the flowing of the electrons, yes or not? जदि हमें 45 coulomb of electricity पास करे ता भीतर इलेक्ट्रॉन गति करियो सो एतिक कूलम चार्ज केते इलेक्ट्रॉन अछंती तबे बाहर करो से कहूँ so we can write here 965 this is the convention 00 coulomb of charge contain this is equal to 1 moles of electrons or contain 1 mole of electrons. So 1 coulomb of charge contain how many? That is 1 by 96500 moles of electron. So 45 so 45 coulomb of charge will contain how many? 1 by 96500 into 45 moles of electrons. This will be how much? This will be your 4.66 into 10 to the minus 4 electrons. Okay. Simple problem. This is a simple problem अच्छा टा कौन कहला ये problem रे जे 45 coulomb charge रे केते moles इलेक्ट्रॉन अछंती प्रथमे आमे कन्वेंशन जानिबा जे एतिक मोल रे केते इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अछंती ना 1 मोल इलेक्ट्रॉन एठी मोल ले पचाती सेठी प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन रे अमाउंट पचारथिला केतेटा पार्टिकल संख्या रे पचारथिला केतेटा एठी मोल ले पचारछि सो 96500 coulomb charge will contain 1 mole of electrons. So 1 kete karibo 45 kete karibo. So this is the answer, that is 4.66 into 10 to the minus 4 electrons. Okay. Next problem we will see problem 6. Problem 6 asking about that 0.5 normal solution of a salt placed between electrode 0.2 semi apart 0.2 semi apart and having area of cross section area of cross section 2.5 semi square has resistance of 0.25 ohm, calculate the equivalent conductance, the equivalent conductance and cell constant. Okay, so before entering into this problem, we have to understand one concept, that is specific conductance of electrolyte solution. Specific conductance K of the electrolytic solutions. So problem में कहूँ धन्य जाओ आमे हमें गोटे क्यूब बनैलु. Suppose this is the one electrode and suppose this is one electrode, and this electrode attached to the positive terminal of the battery, and this electrode, suppose this is electrode, one electrode, and this is one electrode, two electrode, and one electrode is attached to the positive end of the battery, second electrode attached to the negative end of the battery, and suppose these are the electrolyte. This is electrode, this is also electrode, and suppose these are the electrolytes. And suppose these two electrode is given in the question, that is platinum electrode placed two semi apart. धन्य जो ये दियों भीतर distance, this is L semi क्वेश्चन ने देइछ केते 0.2 सेमी. आमे बर्तन प्रॉब्लम भीतर को जाऊने, आमे कॉन्सेप्टटा बुझे तापर आमे प्रॉब्लम देखिबा. धन्य जो ताका भीतर डिस्टेंस अछंती L सेमी एंड क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया equal to A semi square. Then what will be the specific conductance K of the electrolyte? से electrolyte specific conductance कौन होबो जदि दुईटा electrode L semi distance से थिबे एवं क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया A semi square हेतिबो. सो आमे केमति देखिबा, आमे जानिछ कोन, we know that C equal to 1 by R, conductance C equal to reciprocal of the resistance, and R we know that proportional to L by A. Yes or not? Yes. Previously we have discussed that is R directly proportional to L and R inversely proportional to cross sectional area of the conductor. That implies here we can write R equal to rho L by A. That implies R equal to rho L by A, that implies rho equal to how much? L by RA. So R proportional to here R conductance C equal to 1 by R, reciprocal of the resistance, and we know the resistance of the conductor directly proportional to length of the conductor and inversely proportional to cross-sectional area of the conductor. From here we got that R equal to rho L by A. Here rho is specific resistance, specific resistance. So rho equal to how much? L by R. So we got that rho equal to L by R. So we know the specific conductance, K equal to 1 by specific resistance rho. So rho value kete achi L by RA. This is equal to 1 by L by RA. That implies we can say that K equal to how much? K equal to RA by L. RA by L. So here K equal to how much? K equal to rho equal to L by A. आउथरे कैलकुलेट करिवा. So हमें देखिथिले R proportional to L and R proportional to 1 by A. That implies R proportional to L by A. That implies R equal to rho L by A. So here we can write rho equal to RA by L. So rho equal to RA by L. So we got that rho equal to RA by L and specific conductance K equal to 1 by rho. This is equal to 1 by RA by L. So रिभर्स हो जाइथिला तो जो रो भैल्यूटा रिभर्स हो जाइथिला तेणु आम एनसरटा पाउ नथुले. दैट सिम्प्लाइज स्पेसिफिक कंडक्टेंस इक्वल टू L by RA. So we got that the rho equal to RA by L and specific conductance. We know that reciprocal of the specific resistance, this is equal to this much, and K equal to L by RA. Finally we got that K equal to L by RA, this is equal to 1 by R into L by A. So K equal to 1 by R into L by A. This is our final calculation. Your L by A is cell constant and 1 by K, 1 by R is the conductance we have already discussed. From here we will discuss our problem. Okay.